So hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition. So now first of all I'll have meal, and after that I'll take some rest, and then I'll do study. So guys, yesterday I went to the village and some to personal reason, and there I have completed some numericals, and what we have to learn. So I have completed. So now I have no idea how to do study for the new topic, because I did not attend any lectures properly, and that's why and I have zero preparation. So from zero to I have to at least score some. I have to score some marks. So first of all, whatever I learn, I'll perfectly learn them. So okay, now let's go for the mill. And guys, yesterday I did speak that I'll take one new challenge, that every day I'll wake up early in the morning at 5 or before 5. But I wake up, but at that time I'm feeling so much sleepy, and yesterday night I can't sleep properly due to in day I did sleep. So that's why I can't wake up. So first day is miss. So okay, we'll continue from tomorrow. So now okay, let's. So guys, some time ago I had meal. Now I am going to do study. So okay, let's go. So guys, some time ago I did study, and I watch some lectures on YouTube. So half of syllabus I have completed, not half of syllabus, but most of the questions I have completed. But just I want to revise them, and some of questions are pending. So after came back from market, I'm good now market. So after came back from market, I'll do them. So first of all, now I'm going to market, and after the came back from there, I'll bath, because in the morning I did not have bath. So okay, so let's go. So guys, some time ago I came back from market, and now I have bath. So now I'm going to do my regular task, that is meditation. But that room is so much warm. But whatever it is, I want to do, and want to do complete my regular tasks as well as studies. So today whole night I will not sleep. I'll just um, do study, because in day I did study and lectures, but not perfectly. I can't not perfectly. So that's why I'll do study in whole night. And just tomorrow is paper. So and this subject is looking so easy. So that's why I want to complete at least half, more than half syllabus. So and one fourth syllabus I have completed. So now more one fourth syllabus I want to complete. So okay, let's go, and we'll do meditation. So let's go. Guys, just now I had to complete my meditation. So now I am going to have meal, and after get back from after having meal, I'll start my studies. So just few hours are left, and tomorrow there will be a paper. So this is only the paper which I can score in this paper. And after this paper, there are so many hard subjects, and few are easy. But also after this subject, six papers are there, and total I have eight subjects. So uh, one has done. So now second paper is tomorrow. So just this paper I have which I want to score more, and this paper is the easiest for me. So okay, now I am going to have meal. Let's go. So guys, just I had meal, So now I am going for walk, and after get back from walk I'll do study. So now let's go for walk. So guys, some time ago I came back from walking, but I'm feeling so much tired. But I want to do study because this is only the paper which I can score. So okay, I'll take some rest of 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I'll continue my studies. But I think I'm feeling sleepy, so I don't think that I can survive for whole night. So okay, we'll try. If we can do study at least 3 to 4 hours, it's enough for me. So okay, now I'm getting some rest, and then I'll continue my study. So guys, now when I take rest at that time, when I'll take a rest at that time, I'll upload this video, and I'll over my overall task. So okay, that's it for today's vlog. I am ending this vlog here. Okay, bye bye.